start off by talking to y'all about school. Okay, so I am like so stressed with school. So I'm graduating in May, but I made my schedule so bad. Like I'm hating myself. I was only supposed to take 5 classes this semester, but the way I made my credits set up for last semester, I dug a hole for myself and now I'm taking 6 credits. Yeah, it's 6 credits. I've never done this, but I have to get it together, okay? But I don't know what I did. Like, I really messed up. Like, one of the classes is a gym class, is a Zumba class, but still, like, 5 is better than 6. So, like, even my schedule is kind of like, I commute to school, so my schedule is like, but you know, we're gonna get through it. I can't wait to graduate. This has been a long journey. So I was supposed to graduate probably like 2 years ago. But you know, things happen. I got focused. Ever since I've been at my new school, I've got A's and B's. Last semester I got all A's. I never got all A's in college before, so that was like a big thing to me. So whoever told me congratulations, thank you, because it's very big to me. To get all A's in college, work, you know, like that's a big thing. Like, people understand how hard college is. It's not a walk in the park. I'm just so excited to be done with that. Like, graduation, it's just a really big accomplishment, especially in my family, to get a degree. So I'm just very proud of that. Like, I already have an associate's degree. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have saw that, but now I'm graduating, getting my bachelor's. So yes, follow me on Instagram, by the way. I don't know, let's see how this semester goes. I am trying to finish off strong, finish off with a good GPA. You guys might see me stressing throughout the semester, but you know, I just gotta pull through. It's my last one. My classes are not too bad. I didn't go to 2 because one of my professors had a canceled class and I added a new one, and I didn't even go to that class yet. I added it after like the whole full week was over, so I'll see. But so far I like my professors. I like, you know, all the classes that I attended so far. So it's just my scheduling and that I'm taking 6 classes. But we're gonna get through it. So like, at this point in life right now, I'm feeling really focused and lazy at the same time. Like, you guys, thank you. First of all, thank you to all my subscribers that I have so far. Like, you guys been rocking with me even though I've been slacking. Like, I had a YouTube channel for quite some time, and you know, it's just really not easy. I'm not gonna complain, but it's really not easy. Like, I'm tired after school, after work, you know, so it's really not easy, but you guys stuck with me and I promise to be more consistent. 2018, I really want to be super consistent. I hope you guys notice the effort that I've been putting in so far, trying to stay consistent and on top of things. Yeah, I hope you guys notice that, and you know, like, it really makes a difference. Like, if you want to be successful on YouTube, you have to stay consistent. Like, people think YouTube is a breed. It's not at all. Or if you already have like a big following on one social network, it's easy to start a YouTube, you know, like, you're gonna get those subscribers. I'm just really trying to stay focused, trying to balance out life. Even like when it comes down to my friends, like, I don't even chill with them as much like as I want to. Like, I'm just always so tired and I don't always want to be in the club. Like, I've been doing that, you know. I just wanted to have like some chill nights, you know. I don't know, it's so crazy how like old I'm feeling, but that's just how I'm feeling. Like, I'm sorry, I'm taking mad palettes right now, but I'm sorry. should have just went in beginning with this palette right here. Like, you don't always want to be in a party scene unless I'm just getting old. It's that, and then like when I work, oh my god, my body is just like, where you going? Where you think you're going? Like, you're staying right in this house. This year I really want to focus on building my relationship with God. Like, I feel like it's really well needed. Like, I just really want to build everything, my brand, everything. I want to stay on top of things. So I just feel like this year could be great, and I have to put in the time, you know? So as long as I put in that time, everything will work out in my favor. So I had took a poll actually on Instagram to help me do this next video, because I didn't know if I wanted to do a smoky eye get ready with me or a talk through, but I guess people like talk through better because that one, you know, like those little polls on Instagram. Yeah, I did that because I'm so indecisive, and if any of you know a Libra, you know we're indecisive AF. Shout out to my followers who participated in that, and my friends who participated in that, because your girl didn't know. I really didn't know what type of look. Like, I was over there struggling. Tarte palette. By the way, shout out to my sister for buying me this beautiful palette. It smells amazing, and the colors, to die for. When we went to Vegas, by the way, let me know if you guys want to see my birthday vlog, even though I was right. Oh my god, I'm so bad at math. Even though my birthday was 4 months ago, let me know if you guys want to see that vlog. I did record it. I edited it, but I still had to do like a little bit more. And I got really lazy, and then I didn't want to upload it anymore because I felt like I took way too long. But me and my sister, we went to Vegas, and if you guys would love to see that, please let me know, because I will definitely upload it for you guys. My heart goes out to those who lost family in Vegas from the massacre, because I wasn't there at the time of the shooting, but I was there the same time period the man had stayed. It was crazy to me because I'm like, in that hotel he was staying in, I was bringing in my birthday that Saturday there, so it's just like a mind-blowing that I was there. Like, and I remember just waking up, and the first person who texted me was my friend Angie, and she's like, "Are you okay?" And I'm like, "I'm okay, yeah, like I'm home." And she sent me that clip, and I was just like, wow, like I literally just left that morning up. It was so many people. I remember riding past that that country concert, and like I wasn't staying there, but I went in the casino there, I went to a pool party, and I went to a club there. It's just very crazy, like, to even talk about. But thank you to everybody who was concerned, because I didn't even know like that many people would have reached out to me and asked me if I was okay. So my heart just goes out to those who lost people in that massacre. I'm gonna deepen up my outer V area again once I find my brush and mush those colors together. So I want to redo my room, and I'm thinking about vlogging that too, but I don't know if I want to keep my color scheme. I think I do. My color scheme is gray, but my walls are kind of dark. I'm pretty sure you guys see my walls before. They're kind of dark though, so I definitely want to lighten up the walls if I keep gray. I don't want it to be super dark like I have it now. I mean, it's not super dark, but it's dark, you know. So we'll see. I want to show you guys that, because that'll be dope to do a video like that. I love seeing stuff like that, but I don't know. Like, I don't know if I'll do like a extreme makeover because I don't think I'll have all the material that I want to show you guys yet. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to do eyeliner or no eyeliner right now. Like eyeliner, no eyeliner, eyeliner, no eyeliner. I'm gonna go on with my y'all gonna kill me. I'm gonna go with my Morphe 35B palette. If you guys want off the I was about to say off the rip. Wow. From the beginning, y'all can just go in with like a shade like this and just put that in your crease. I mean, if you like this darker crease shadow, then you can keep it. But I kind of want to bring some pink into this. There we go. Yeah, like, I don't know, your personal preference, but you can do that from the beginning or do mad steps like I just did. I'm so sorry, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna take my orange concealer. You know the drill. Might speed through this part because y'all know the drill. I'm really a dub right now because I forgot to prime my face. Don't y'all hate that? I seen this meme the other day. The girl, she had a whole full face of makeup. And I was like, when you just beat your face, but you forgot to prime it. Like, what? Alright, y'all. So, I want to go somewhere for spring break. I really want to go somewhere. Like, where should I go? I definitely want to do a vacation, though, because I have to go somewhere with babe. We're both so busy, but we really need to plan a vacation. You know, like last year, you guys know we went to Puerto Rico. Amazing. Do I even have any more foundation? That's a dub. That's a dub. Taking this. What was I doing? Where was I going with that? Where was I going? Where was you going, Yasana? Where was you going? This summer is all about making money moves, okay? Making money moves. Say it with me now. Making money moves. I feel like this because last year I didn't do anything. Like, I don't know. I didn't do nothing. So I have some goals, and obviously you guys know one of my goals, like I said, I want to be more consistent on YouTube. So that is a major goal of mine right now. Graduate. Oh my god, I can't wait to graduate. So be consistent on YouTube, graduate, get closer to God, get closer with other relationships, make myself better, get a good job. Man, those are the key, okay? Just go over that with a little bit of Fenty foundation. I just love this warmth in this foundation. Look at that warmth it brings. Oh, by the way, I'm using this Morphe sponge. Y'all know y'all never seen a red sponge in my video. You guys know I love my Real Techniques, but I was in the store in the mall and they had it, so I was like, oh, let me try it. I don't know, I don't think the sponge is beating my Real Techniques. I don't think so. But I stopped working weekends for a little bit, and now I think because of school I'm gonna have to work weekends again, which sucks. Sucks. I got used to not working weekends. I mean, like, now I gotta go back to that. Like, I just can't wait till I have my job. I mean, not that I want to be in a 9 to 5 forever, because the goal is to always own your own business and not work for someone else, of course. Rather work weekdays. I don't know who wouldn't rather work weekdays, honestly. I think my next video I will do my smoky eye tutorial. I haven't done one of those in a minute. Getting powder everywhere. See, I'm not used to baking with that sponge. has to be where I'm about to go. I don't know. I'm low-key hoping somebody want to chill. Ew, like, what is that? Girl. Help me, help me, help you. I want to take so many trips this summer. Like, I remember in 2016, I was going everywhere. You couldn't tell me nothing. I'm trying to be like that again this summer, man. That is the key to life, traveling. Like, what is better than traveling? Wow, this was my nose brush right here the whole time. Alright, so I'm gonna line my eyes with that pink. Honestly, if you guys are hating on Drake, I need to reevaluate your lives. Like, you're just a hater at this point to me, because Drake dropped a new album. If y'all thinking he's whack, please unsubscribe to me right now. Just kidding. But he's not whack. He's actually not good. I'm trying to go, like, you know who I want to have a tour? Young Thug, Kodak Black. But I don't know. Kodak locked up, so definitely Young Thug. That's my fave. Tory Lane, my fave. Travis Scott, like, they know how to perform, especially Travis Scott and Tory Lane. Like, I can imagine them performing together. The Migos, Drake, like, if they have a concert, I'm there. I don't even care how much it is. I'm there, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna line my lips. Too much gloss. Ew, that's too much gloss. I don't know what to do with my hair next. Yeah, so if y'all have any suggestions, let me know. I definitely want to try a blonde in the summer. Let me know. I'm always doing black, and I need to switch it up. Like, it's about time. I haven't had color since maybe 2015, so I'm just spray.